So I let the damn boys stay out to watch the World Series. But now I'm trying to go to bed, and he doing this. And I'd be wrong if I just be like, get your ass up, get the fuck on. I'm gonna let him live tonight.